your hand on the amazing, very good synthetic hair. Oh my god, no one is going to know that was a synthetic hair. Hello everyone, how you all doing? So today we are going to be doing this easy synthetic wig installation. I was so amazed of the texture of this synthetic wig. Oh my god, in fact the texture, the length, everything is giving. If you can maintain this synthetic hair very well, it's going to last you for a long time before it gets tangled. Do you know what, guys? This synthetic hair brushed out so easily. I don't want to talk a lot about this synthetic hair because this is not a sponsor video. So let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be laying this wig down. Easy method I love using. I don't like using all those broad cap method or anything. Sometimes I use spray, sometimes I use got to be glue. So let's get right into it. As a beginner, this method is one of the best methods you can easily use to install your wig. This method is a very amazing method. When cutting the lace off, do not cut on a straight line, like straight from where you're cutting to the down part. Make sure you do your hand like a zigzag method, you understand? Like a zigzag method is going to make the front to look natural and it's going to come out so good. I love to do this a lot. I'm going to take a comb to press the edges, to press it down very well. So when I want to tie my hairband or anything you want to use to lay down so that the wig won't shift, I love to work with this method. Press it down very well. Press it down. And again, it's going to help you to make the wig to lay down on time. And it's going to give you a perfect final look. So now I'm going to lay my hair scarf down. I don't know where I kept all my hairband to lay, so I work with what I have. Don't worry, you can be looking at this wig like, what is this? What is this? Stay to the end for the final results. Make sure you add got to be glue on the hair itself so that it's going to take away all the flyaways. Then add hair serum so that it's going to help with a little shine, because this wig is not even looking like a synthetic hair. It's not really shining like a plastic hair. You understand? Just add a little bit of serum, and for the flyaways, add the got to be spray. That is all, guys. That is all. Can you see this hair is giving? Can you see the hairline is giving? Please do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.